Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy. If you know, you know. Come on, say with me, bro. It ain't nothing new if you've been on the channel for a little minute. MET Sorrow. What's good with y'all, man? Hopefully y'all having a great day, great morning, great night. Um, Wherever y'all watching this video from. Hopefully y'all having a great little, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Hopefully you having a great, you know what I mean? You feel me? Because I'm trying to have a great day. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to have a great trading session. So, we just hopping on the charts. Right now we on Gbpusd. Alright, come on, bro. Yeah, we're on Gbpusd. And we got in on this candle right here. And hopefully looking forward for this current candle we're on right here to break above and continue to push up. Continue to be pushing up. So I saw this nice little, you know, order block slash demand area. Whatever y'all want to call it, it's up to y'all. Some people call it different things. I'm not finna sit up here and argue with y'all. It's, you know, we all trade different. We all call things different things. So we just gonna see, man. I'm gonna just go mark this up real quick. I got in right at the break of the candle. Yeah, the break of the candle right here. Yeah. So yeah, man. Hopefully we can get it done today. No cap. Keyword hopefully. You know, shit should be going on though, bro. So shit do be going on, man. But you know, we just gonna wait, cause I ain't gonna cap. This shit is we started off real nice pushing up, and it looks like it's just, yeah, feel me? So this will be a nice trade if we can win. As you know, I do got my stop losses below this candle, and hopefully we can just push up. Like, you know, I know this candle. No, we might get out here, sir. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. We just gonna have to wait and see, bro. Ooh, yeah, we definitely might get stopped out right here, no lie. No lie. Let's just wait and see, though, man. Let's just wait and see. You know, hopefully we can catch it up. You know, hopefully that'd be nice, but hey, man. Pushing up, like, if we can, like, really start pushing up right here, that would be amazing. And, like, continue to push up. But, yeah, so, I don't know. Like, if we can break above on the current candle right here that we are above on, and start breaking above, like, the previous candle, and break above the previous wick, that'd be amazing. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, so hopefully it keep doing this thing, you feel me? Just hopefully, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to see it keep playing around, and I don't want to see it coming back down here for sure. That would not be fun, man. So we'll take profit just at that candle right there. Alright, bet. Let me see. Then yeah, we might as well just target this real quick. 1 to 2. So yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel and you feel like you going to either enjoy the content or you enjoying the content, subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? Help me out. Make sure to leave a like on the video. Help me out too. So, yeah, man, if y'all in the trading Discord, you know what I'm saying? It's free. Got over 400 plus members. Make sure to go join that, bro. Real talk. This is real lit up in there, no lie. So, hey, man, it's got beginner traders, intermediate traders, funded traders, you know, just all type of traders, you know what I'm saying? And it not only you just only gonna be surrounded by traders, but you will be you will be able to get better though. You know what what I'm saying? You will be able to, okay, this just doesn't want to go up, I see. We had a nice little push, but yeah, I don't know, bro. It don't want to go up. It don't want to go up. Cause it really, I don't know. It wanted to, but then it looked like it don't want to no more. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Hopefully on this current candle we can get some real good bullish momentum. Hopefully, cause I really want to. I really want to break above this. Like I really want to break above this. Not gonna lie to you. But let's just see. Let's just see, man. Let's just see. Cause like I said, my stop loss is right below this candle. Well, yeah, below these candles. And I'm just really hoping for, just keep seeing some bullish momentum, and maybe if we can take this all the way up here. But if not, then that'll just be a loss, I mean, because it tapped into the zone right here, but I mean, it's just barely, but hey, it's still tapped though. So, hey man, if you guys are interested in the way that I trade, feel free to click the link in the description. If not, it's all good, bro. I'm not gonna force you. I'm not finna, hey, go buy my course. I'm saying, if you don't want to buy the course, it's cool, bro. It's just a straightforward course. Just go strictly over my strategy, and that's it. I got psychology videos on here on YouTube, so that's why I really didn't include psychology videos. So, damn, bro, I need some water in the morning, bro. Every time I make these videos, I never have a water on deck. So we really just be here. Just waterless, you know what I'm saying? Mouth just going through it. Pause. That shit sounds so bad, bro. But we lost. We took the L, man. That was I don't know. That trade, it was a weird one. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like it started off pushing off rejecting the zone really good. But then it was just like, nah, bro. So, trying to see just to make sure we just ain't playing with me. Because, bro, that was, I don't know, bro. Because on TradingView, I don't get TradingView sometimes. Because on TradingView, let me show y'all. Right here, it didn't tap well. On MT4, it tapped into the zone. But on TradingView, it didn't tap into the zone. And it's just like, goddamn. But hey, it's all good though. Today the market wasn't really looking at that good to me. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with you. And not seeing nothing on here. UJ. Not seeing nothing on the 5-minute. Not seeing nothing on AU. Yeah, GU. It showed potential. Maybe not on TradingView, but on the MT4 where it came down. And then we even, I think it was on, what candle was it? This candle? Yeah, I think it was on this candle. We like pushed down the whole line, and then we pushed all the way back up or some shit. I don't know. I think it was this candle. But yeah, man, sometimes you just lose, bro. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really trying to, keep my risk super small, because then it would take a long time for this. I'm just doing it just for entertainment purposes only, and just seeing what we can do with this account. So I mean, we took a $20 loss right there. No, I think $30 loss. $30 loss. Yeah, that's cool. I mean, cause we was going for damn near 1 to 2, so we was risking $30 to $60. And sometimes the trade just don't play out, bro. Simple as that. Now my confluences for this were real simple. I'm not gonna cap. Like I saw that, we came down from all this. And I saw this. We were, I ain't gonna say we were in an uptrend all the way completely on the 5-minute, but if you really go down to starting at the 5-minute, we're above the SMA. This candle, it touched the SMA. You know what I'm saying? It was like, nah, I'm rejecting that shit, right? So boom. Next thing you know, rejected. Then we create this little, you know, order block or demand zone, whatever y'all want to call it. And then, beam, you know what I'm saying, tapped in, not on this candle. For some reason, I guess it didn't tap in on this candle, but it tapped in, though. Okay, did it? The fuck? See, this should be weird sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. So, what time did it even actually tap in, though? I don't know, man. Maybe it didn't. Cause on the 5 minute, it looked like if this candle didn't make it. Okay, now I'm seeing I guess this candle didn't, I guess. That motherfucker's like, god damn, bro, you gotta lean up and put your zoom at 50 and shit, bro. This candle tapped it though, so hey man, we just gonna sit here and wait and see. Well, not wait and see. I'ma just see how this play out. And if we happen to be able to break above this candle right here, then I'll get my re-entry. But I low key do see a possible setup for him. I can't say what I'm seeing, cause you know, if you know, you know. But yeah, we just gonna see. I'ma just after in this video, I'ma just sit here and wait and see what happens. See if I see anything else in the market today. But if not, I'm just hopping off the charts. We are gone, and we just gonna go enjoy our day. But otherwise, in this, I don't know. It's been a little shaky morning this morning. So, hey man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully y'all, hey man, showcase my losses. Losses happen. I would take this setup again. Like it reacted from the zone beautifully. So it just didn't play out. I got out where I was supposed to. Yeah, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. MET XRO out. Head ass.